In this lesson, we are going to learn a new song. This is a popular song that you may be playing in band. We can learn a song with the music and a slide position chart. Let's see if you recognize this. This is called We Are Rolling Along. It can be difficult to move the slide and play the rhythms at the same time. So first, when I learn a piece, I always practice the rhythm. So let me play the rhythm for you. Do you notice that there is a rest in the fourth measure and a rest in the sixth measure? I tried to play that correctly. It's something we need to pay attention to when we're reading music. Did you notice the repeated rhythm? That's easy for us to be able to coordinate moving the slide and playing the rhythm at the same time. Uh-oh, I made a mistake. I should start from the beginning, shouldn't I? You know what? Let's not do that. Let's practice the measure I had a problem with. This is measure number 4. I played the rhythm first to make sure that was correct, and now I'm going to play the notes and repeat it. There, I feel better about that measure, and now I'm going to start from the beginning and go through that measure only as a practice. I better do that again to make sure I have it. I would probably play it 3 or 4 more times. Let's now practice the last 4 measures. This is starting on measure number 5. I'm going to review my slide positions on the last 2 measures. C in 6th position, D in 4th position, C in 6th position, and B flat in 1st position. Let's play those. And now I'm going to play the last 2 measures with the rhythm and the slide positions. Now I feel more comfortable about this song. I'm going to play a little bit faster after I've learned it very slowly. Actually, it takes you a shorter period of time to learn something slower than to try to play it faster. That was better than it was before, and this is how we learn to play songs on our own.